You're not losing people because they changed. You're losing them because you stopped showing up. You chose silence over communication, distance over presence, pride over humility. And now your life is filled with people who feel temporary because you became temporary. That tough guy act? It's not power. It's protection. But not the good kind. It's armor built from fear. Scrolls wear that armor every day. They pretend to be untouchable, but they're invisible. You scroll, you ghost, you vanish, then wonder why no one stays, why no one calls, why your life feels disposable. You think disappearing keeps you strong? No, it keeps you replaceable. Centurions don't vanish. We show up, especially when it's uncomfortable, especially when we fail, especially when we hurt someone. If you want relationships that last, you don't wait to be understood. You lead with understanding. You want to fix what broke? Own what you did. Apologize without conditions. Say this: we don't vanish. We don't flake. We fix what we break. Then prove it. Text 3 people you've ignored. Call someone you cut off. Say what needs to be said. Real men don't avoid. Real men initiate. You want brotherhood? Be someone worth following. You want a tribe? Become someone who doesn't disappear. Because here's the truth. If you keep ghosting, keep scrolling, keep choosing distance, you'll die alone. Surrounded by followers, but without a single real one beside you. Drop fight on if you're done being forgettable. Join OLP 365. This is brotherhood. This is loyalty. This is where we show up every time. You weren't meant to fight this life alone. You were built to lead, to protect, to connect. You were born for brotherhood, not silence. But somewhere along the line, you convinced yourself that disappearing was strength. That distance was discipline. That ghosting was strategy. And now you sit in silence wondering why no one stays, why no one checks in, why you feel invisible even when people are watching. Let me tell you something loud and clear. You will never build loyalty by vanishing. You will never build trust by avoiding. And you will never build brotherhood by pretending you don't need anyone. That's what scrolls do. They vanish. They fake strength. They act unbothered. Then they suffer in silence. That ends now. This is your moment. Not tomorrow. Not when you're more ready. Right now. Pull out your phone. Text the ones you've left hanging. Pick up the call you've been dodging. Speak what you've been holding in. Tell your people this: I'm here. I'm back. I won't vanish again. Because showing up isn't weakness. It's dominance. It's what separates scrolls from centurions. And men like us, centurions, we don't disappear. We double down. We stay when it's messy. We fight for what matters. We protect what we've built. And if we break it, we fix it. With action. With presence. With leadership. You're not too late. You're not too broken. You just need to start showing up every day. That's what OLP 365 is. It's the code. It's the path. It's the tribe that doesn't flake, doesn't fade, doesn't fold when it gets hard. We carry each other. We protect the mission. We build what the world gave up on. And here's what no one tells you. Real connection isn't convenient. It's costly. It takes time. It takes vulnerability. But it's worth it, because the alternative is living in silence, pretending you're good, and dying forgotten. So if you're done with the silence, if you're done being forgettable, if you're done being the reason people don't trust anymore, then step up, text them, speak up, rebuild what you walked away from, and don't stop showing up, ever. Because men like us, we don't ghost, we grow. We don't scroll, we lead. We don't disappear, we dominate. Fight on.